Good morning, children. Today we are going to do lesson number 12 Social Justice from our Moral Science book. Justice for one and all is called social justice. Equal and fair opportunities under all the circumstances. Respect for another fellow being as a human. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the child labor and child helpline numbers also. An informer called the Childline Delhi to share details about a group of children who were working at the bangle factory in Jahangirpuri. They were reported to be working and living under inhuman conditions. The Childline team members visited the area for a verification of this tip-off. Upon finding it is to be true, the Deputy Commissioner was apprised with the case and was urged to facilitate the rescue of the children immediately. Hectic follow-up by the team of Childline Delhi resulted in scheduling of the rescue operation 4 days later. On the appointment day, the team comprising the police officers from the Labour Department, the Childline Delhi and other officials gathered at Jahangirpuri at around 10:30 am. There were 6 bangle factories in the area and 6 teams were formed with a member of each department. They conducted simultaneous raids in all the 6 places. Next article, 25 kids rescued from bangle making unit in Hyderabad. The Labour Department on Saturday rescued 25 children who were being made to work in dangerous conditions at a bangle manufacturing unit in Old City. Acting on tip-off from local Army Adami party workers, officials of the department along with the Hussaini Alam police raided a residential building in Kalivat area close to Charminar. They found children aged between 6 to 13 years clustered together in all small hall-making bangles meant to be sold in the nearby Lad Bazaar. Upon investigation, officials learned that all the children were bought from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha are not living with their parents. Bangle manufacturers is categorized as hazardous under the Child Labour Prohibition Act. The children were housed in a small hall who were their workplace and dwelling quarters. They were not in a position to explain their condition, said Deeply Commissioner S. Rajendra, who along with the other Labour Department officials shifted the children to juvenile home in Saidabad. However, only 2 teams were able to rescue the children who were working in the factories at that time. Aged 16 to 14, these 14 children had been bought from Bihar to work in the factories. They lived in a teeny, dismal room that had no light or ventilation. They worked more than 12 hours a day and most of them had never stepped inside a school. Childline was finally able to find them from their plight. Needless to say, the factories were sealed, the children rescued. Fostering a vision of a child-friendly nation where the rights and protection of all the children are granted. The Childline India Foundation was founded by Ms. Giro Bilmorio in June 1996. It was started as an experimental project of the Department of Family and Child Welfare of TISS and has come a long way today to become a nationwide emergency helpline for the children in distress. There is a dire necessity of foundation and organizations such as this one in the uplifting of the children who have been unfortunate enough to lose their childhood in the midst of forced labor. Let's do the worksheet, children. See here, you need to say yes or no for the statements. First one, a child helpline is a step forward towards ensuring protection to the children. Yes, there is no need to verify the tip-off, one should act on them. Yes. Third one, the children should be allowed to their childhood the way they are meant to. Yes. Fourth one, every child has a right to education and protection. Yes. Fifth one, protection of children is the responsibility of individual citizen as well as organization at all the levels. Yes. So children, I hope that you all understood this concept of child labor activities and the social justice towards all those things. And we have finished this worksheet also. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.